Hey, good morning, you guys. How are you guys all doing today? It is 8:10 this morning in the AM, Monday, January 15th. 25 guests is what I have today for breakfast. And I'm just eating some breakfast right now. Just had some bacon and an omelet. Really good. I also have a coffee and a yogurt. So sunrise just came out. I'll take took a couple pictures. I'll put those on here so you guys can see that. Also, in some good news, we've got a new guy here today. His name's Kyle, and we're training him as well today. So it is going good so far. Unlike the no-show that didn't show up last time, we've actually got somebody who came on the first day. So far everything is going well. It's, like I said, 25 guests, so not much going on around here, not too crazy, easy peasy. But yeah, so I thought I'd come on here just want to say thank you for everyone who came on the live chat last night. Thank you so much. Yesterday was a busy day. We were just all over the place. We were in Hamilton and then up to the in-laws and then back at home with the girls, and I was really tired. I didn't get any sleep. I didn't get to sleep at all, so I was just really busy. So by the end of the night, I was really ready to crash. But yeah, I managed to pull it through for the live stream. Like I said yesterday as well, the 500 subscriber contest is going to end on Thursday. So if you want to partake in the contest, just go to the vlog. I'm going to upload it. I'll probably put it right up in the corner there. The details are all in that, the 500 subscriber giveaway contest. What I've done, 4 hidden emojis in 4 random vlogs. You find the emojis, write them down, and then email me the 4 emojis that you found, what vlogs they were in, and I will enter you in the contest. If you're from Canada, you'll get a Tim Hortons gift card. International US, I will send you an Amazon gift card. So this Thursday, the contest is over. So there's already a good couple of people already in it. So I would like to get much more. So if you haven't already done so, please enter the contest. It's fun. You'll get to go and watch some old footage. And yeah, it's kind of like a scavenger hunt. So, all right. Well, I'm going to end it right now. Get back out there, check and see what's going on. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up, everybody? Breakfast shift is over today, 11:30, and yeah, today went really well. Kyle, the new guy that I trained today, seems like he's going to be working out perfectly here. It's really not that hard of a job to do. It can be a little bit of a, it could be a little bit repetitive sometimes, but yeah, so far so it was very well. He got his first tip today from a guest, so can't go wrong with that. $1.30 is what we got each. So tomorrow's could be a little bit more interesting because I think we're a little bit more busier tomorrow. So tomorrow should be a fun day. And we're doing sausages and western tomorrow, so. And what else do I got? Yeah, I took some pictures of the sun. I hope you guys like those pictures I took. Tip in my pocket. There we are. So yeah, that's all that's going on here. I'm just getting changed and gonna get ready to head out. So I will see you guys when I get outside. Alright, you guys take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you like this one. It's super cold, windy morning, and yeah, walking down here, down by the water. Lake is kind of crazy right now, and all of the side rails are all frozen right now. Oh, this is all ice. Woohoo! I've got good boots on, so I'm not worried. But I'm gonna put you guys on my, I'm gonna put the tripod on. This is all ice. Glad I'm not wearing my shoes down here. Is the bench even frozen too? Ice is, the bench is all ice. I'm gonna grab the tripod. I'm gonna carry with that. Okay, so you guys hold on a sec. All right, so I only have 11 minutes of filming on here. Down here at the Spencer Smith Park ice rink. The path is completely frozen. There's a layer of ice under here. It's all blocked off right now. I shouldn't be down here, but I have good winter boots on. Leg's pretty crazy. It's all crashing over the barricade there. As you can see, there's ice formed all over the rails. There's our pier. Those are big chunks of ice that were once solid and now they're just broken apart. Obviously, I'm not going to go I'm not going to get any closer, just because it is crashing, and I just don't really want to. Yeah, it's just crashing against the side. Sun's kind of in the clouds today. As you can see, it's more crazier down at that end. But yeah, even like the benches, the bench over there, I sat down on the bench, and yeah, it's frozen. It's frozen solid. So yeah, just down here at the Spencer Smith Park. If I had ice skates right now, I could be ice skating on this path. That's just how icy it is. And it's completely iced over. So definitely got to be safe. They have it closed off, so it is roped. But I am walking really slow, and like I said, I am wearing very good winter boots right now. So I am in that. Yeah, see that? There was just some ice that came up, or lake water. I'm gonna be walking up the snow. I guess it was bad yesterday. So there, I'm off the ice path. Covered in, it's all snow covered down here. I'm not gonna go too far down that way. Glad I'm not wearing my shoes down here, because I wouldn't be able to walk. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna take some photos, because it's like everything's all covered in ice down here. It's pretty crazy. That's just me walking. That's my boots that you guys are hearing. Crunchy, crunch, crunch. So yeah, there's the lift bridge and the skyway over there. Our piers over there. That's pretty crazy. Not gonna lie. Alright, and here's the bench, as you can see. All covered in ice. Some of them aren't, and then the rest, some of them are, the ones that are closest to the water. Alright, so I'm going to take some photos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, I've only got like 7 minutes, but you guys gotta hear the sound. Alright, listen to this. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but... Okay, that didn't really work. It sounds like I'm kicking water. Can you guys hear that noise? It literally sounds like I'm kicking water. That's not the coolest sound ever. You guys tell me in the comments, because I think that's the coolest sound ever. I'm definitely going to have to pick this up, play it on the replay. So I don't know if you guys can actually hear it. But like I'm kicking... Of course, people in the cars will probably wonder what the hell I'm doing, but the coolest sound ever. I'm also kicking up a whole bunch of grass right now too, and then that's pretty cool too. All right, that was fun. I wonder if it's like that up here, or is this is just... How's that sound? Not as bad, not as good as down here. Okay. Well, I'm gonna play it back, and if it sounds cool, I'll put it in the vlog.
Why that's a vlog?
Yeah?
Are you?
Yeah? How's it taste? How's it taste? Whoa, good job. Those came out really well. Are you guys doing bump slides? Stay on this side. Stay on this side. Alright everyone, well thank you so much for watching the vlog tonight. I'm going to end it here. I'm going to put some shout outs at the end, like I've done before in some of my vlogs. Like I said, Thursday is the final draw. Well, not the draw, but that's when the cutoff date for entering the contest. So, like I said, if you're interested in entering, just look back, find the 500 subscriber giveaway contest, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.